Unveiling Mars Secrets, a journey into the red planet's interior. The red planet's hidden gems. Imagine a world where ancient secrets lie buried deep beneath the surface, waiting to be uncovered. NASA's Mars mission has done just that, revealing a fascinating insight into the planet's past. Fragments of a violent past. Deep within Mars' mantle, scientists have discovered remnants of massive impacts that occurred billions of years ago. These fragments, some as large as 2.5 miles across, offer a unique glimpse into Mars's ancient history. The impacts were so powerful that they melted vast regions of the early crust and mantle, creating magma oceans and injecting these impactor fragments deep into Mars's interior. But here's where it gets controversial. No one knows exactly what struck Mars. The early solar system was a chaotic place, filled with a range of rocky objects, some even large enough to be considered protoplanets. These impactors left their mark on Mars, and their remains are still scattered throughout the planet's mantle. A time capsule preserved. Mars' lack of tectonic plates has kept its interior relatively unchanged, unlike Earth's constantly churning mantle. This means that Mars has become a time capsule, preserving its ancient history in a way that Earth cannot. The lumps of material found in Mars' mantle are a record of its past. A record that may have been largely erased on our own planet. InSight's revolutionary discovery. NASA's InSight lander, now retired, played a crucial role in this discovery. It placed the first seismometer on Mars' surface, recording over 1,300 Marsquakes before its mission ended in 2022. These quakes provided scientists with a unique opportunity to study Mars' interior. By analyzing the seismic waves, the InSight team has measured the size, depth, and composition of Mars' crust, mantle, and core. And this is the part most people miss. The latest discovery regarding the mantle's composition suggests there's still so much more to uncover within InSight's data. Tom Pike, a co-author of the study, said, "We knew Mars was a time capsule, but we didn't anticipate the clarity of our vision."